On page 2 of Lesson 14's homework, the directions read, draw a numbered disk on the place value chart to solve, and show your steps using long division. So on 1A it says 7/10 divided by 4. So we're going to find the tens column, and what we want to do is put 7 disks in the tens column. So we're going to go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what I went ahead and did is I divided it into 4 sections already on the bottom. So we're going to now split them up with 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go ahead and split them up. And each of those sections got 1. And we have 3 as a remainder. So we have 1 in the 10th section. Now we want to take the leftovers and share them into the hundredths section. So each one that gets moved over is going to be worth 10. So we're going to have 1 that moves over there, 1 that moves over there, and 1 that moves over there, which will be a total of 30 because each one represents 10. So we need to add in 30 dots in the hundredths place. So we're going to go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and keep going. After you get your 30 dots filled in, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and split them up into the 4 sections. So we can group them up instead of doing 1 by 1, but we can split them up and think what's 30 divided by 4, and you can get 7. It doesn't go in perfectly, but you can figure out that 7 can go in each section. So if I put 7 in that row, plus 7, we would have 14 plus 7 more would give us 21 plus 7 more would give us 28. So as we go through and we share all of them out, we should end up with 2 left over that couldn't divide evenly. So each section will have 7. So with the 2 left over, we need to share them now in the thousands place. So every time we move one over, it's going to be worth 10. So we have 2 to move over, so we need to put in 20. So go ahead and please put in 20 dots in the thousands place. After you put in your 20 dots, what you need to do is divide them 4 ways. And if you think 20 divided by 4, you should get 5. So we can take this first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take the fourth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should go in perfectly. So you should get 175 thousandths. The directions also ask us to show our steps using long division. So looking to the right, we have 7/10 divided by 4, same problem we just did. Remember to move up the decimal. And let's see if our answers match up. So 4 can't go into 0. But 4 can go into 7, and it goes in 1 time. And 4 times 1 is 4. And when we subtract, 7 minus 4 is 3. We don't want a remainder of 3, so remember we can always add in zeros at the end and bring them down. We need to think how many 4s can go into 30, and we should know that 4 times 7 is the closest we can get, and 4 times 7 is 28. We can't do 0 minus 8, so we need to borrow. And we should have a remainder of 2. Since we don't want a remainder, we're going to add in another 0, bring it down, and 4 goes into 20 perfectly. 5 times, and 4 times 5 is 20. So we got the answer of 175 thousandths, and our answers do match up.